Hello, are you experiencing a problem with your garage door squeaking? Well, Handy Rick and Handy P are here to help you out. Okay? So let me show you the before effects. Handy P. Now let me show you the equipment you will need. You will need glasses. If you don't have glasses from Home Depot, your sunglasses will work. Never use WD-40. This is a non-degreaser. I recommend something that has the lithium. You could get it at your Home Depot. Okay? Now, we're going to do this in seconds. Okay? So, you definitely don't want to grease your wells because they'll gather dust, and that's going to cause a problem in the future. Really quick, in seconds. You want to get the little pulleys, everything where there's a hinge. Oh. Okay, now we're going to go over here. So anywhere where there's hinges and metal, rubbing with metal. Almost done. Okay, almost done. And then the last thing you want to, see. Last thing you want to get is going to be, get your ladder. I forgot to tell you about your ladder. We have this right here. Just want to spray some on it. Man. Okay. And that is it. Let's try it out. Better. More time that you open and close it with the grease getting in there. The pulleys and all that. And once again, it's Handy Rick and Handy P. How to fix your garage from squeaking in under 2 minutes. Thank you.